Right, Jobi, now we're going to look at your results.
Oh, I hope I get a gold star.
No stars, Jobi, just lines. Your results are marked on a graph like this. The blue and red lines show the results for your left and right ears.
They look like squiggly snakes.
They do a bit, but these lines show me that your right ear is fine, but your left ear isn't working properly.
Oh, no.
And that might be why you haven't been hearing things sometimes.
Oh, so maybe I just need one new ear then.
You don't need a new ear, Jobi.
Oh.
We can give you something else to help you hear things better.
What?
A hearing aid.